This is stock number 14876, a 2006 Hummer H3. This vehicle has a 3.5 liter i5 engine. From this video, you'll be able to tell that this vehicle is extremely clean all the way around. This Hummer has brand new Nitto Terra Grappler tires, 20-inch rims, Enkai Performance All-Terrain alloy rims. Very sharp. These tires are brand new. You can still see the little knobs on them. The front bumper is very clean. There's our website, www.lensauto.com. Let's go down this side of the vehicle. See, there's no dents or dings. Very well maintained, very clean. You can see the frame. It's very clean, no rust. Stainless steel step bars. Borea dual exhaust. Nice tire cover. See the back storage area is very clean. Go down this side of the vehicle. It's very clean as well. Inside, this H3 has the dual power heated black leather seats, which I think are very sharp, and there's no rips or tears. See, the carpeting is very clean. This vehicle has 29,245 miles, 6-disc CD changer, automatic transmission, push button, all-wheel drive, power sunroof, OnStar, compass temperature mirror. See, the carpeting is very clean there. See, the back seats have no rips or tears. Looks like they've probably never been sat in. Their mat's very clean. Let's take a look under the hood. There's a 3.5 liter Vortec. See, the engine bay is very clean. Runs very smoothly, quietly. It's been fully safetied and ready to go. See more pictures of this Hummer or one of our other 385 SUVs and trucks on the lot. Go to www.lensauto.com.